clear. Wait, Kayanath.
Yeah, it's a very bad one.
Tell me that, seriously.
Dave doesn't want to see my violin side.
ये तुम्हें क्या पार्लियामेंट की सीट लग रही है? हाँ तो पकड़ के बैठ गए.
And
इसको स्टॉप करके रिकॉर्ड फ्रेश.
क्यों? वो काट देगा ना.
नहीं, मैं इसको डिलीट करूंगी. सॉरी, बीच में नहीं बोल रहे रिकॉर्डिंग के.
लेकिन फिर से?
या.
India wants to know where Dave is going.
The nation wants to know.
The nation wants to know.
Dave. तो is he like a funny guy or a serious guy?
सीरियस कर.
तो तुम लोग funny नहीं बनाना चाहते उसको?
फनी बनाना चाहते.
हाँ.
Hi Deep. 1, 2, 3.
Dave is a funny guy. He has a great sense of humor.
He does a lot of photography, nature photography he likes. I am not up to the mark as much as he does. He likes Kishore Kumar songs. He is an avid listener of Kishore Kumar songs. He loves it. If I go back 7-8 years into the past, back to 2007, I remember having interviewed more than 40 people or maybe 50, and then somehow I wanted to select you. I think probably it is not just the way you answered the questions in the interview, but perhaps the way you handled the case study. It was brilliant, the way you handled it. The way you are completely relaxed, the way you explained it, the way you laid out the case study was really good. And that really gave me the confidence that you are really going to be an asset to the PE team. And my belief, my confidence has really been spot on since then. I think you have done a fantastic job over the last few years. Excellent work, your steady style and laid back, steady and confident style always gives the confidence to the project teams and gives them the assurance that they are always on the right track. And if I look at the initial days of setting up the PE function, several fights, several discussions, several I would say differences of opinions, and I would say countless hours of debate, and the patience that you have. And luckily I do also have patience, right? So I think we hit it off very well over the years. And I must tell the team that you are an expert on several things. Migration, analytics is something everybody knows, but nobody knows that you are a great ghost storyteller. So you must certainly tell a few stories to the team tonight or maybe tomorrow night. I leave that to you and the team to decide. But at this point I want to really thank you for all the efforts you have put in and the fantastic leadership you have shown for the PE team at Gurgaon, and the kind of confidence that when you walk in, the leaders get the confidence and everybody wants you for their own projects, and that speaks volumes about your caliber, your capability and your talent. And it's really difficult to say bye to you, and as you know, we are still trying to retain you within PE. If not by 10th April, at least by the next 4-5 months, we look forward to seeing you back in PE. So at this point, I don't want to say goodbye to you, but all the best in whatever you want to do in the next 3-4 months, after which you are going to be back with us. Right? All the best. I still remember my interview with you almost 2.5 years back, while we briefly discussed about the core profile and also discussed about the road trips that you had on the mountains and I had on my motorcycle on the mountains. It was a moment full of emotions when you called me and informed that you're moving on, though I could not express at that point in time. I know you have to move on for a better cause in your life. You've been a great leader, one can't avoid admiring.
your subtleness in the way you deal with situations and people have been charismatic and tremendous. I've learned a lot of things from you over this 2.5 years period. Of course, nobody can beat your one-liners when you crack jokes. We will miss those pieces in real time in the future, of course. While you take this break from us, I wish this world to be small enough for us to bring us back on the same platform where we can work together. It's been a great journey for me, full of lot of learning from your side. I'm actually running out of words to express myself at this moment. May your journey be full of health, wealth and happiness here on. All the best. I hope to meet you again, work with you again.
Sorry, I have a bad throat today. You have been one of the great leaders I admire. You will be missed by all of us. I will wish you all the best. And he's been with the PE team for a long time. 5 to 6 years now. No, 7 years. And I think they all have missed him. Will miss him.
I think you will certainly be missed. Well, actually it's been a year since I've known you, and during this time I will best remember you for your calm, collected management style and also your comparing skills. I wish you all the very best. It's a difficult transition. I'm pretty sure you will actually settle down well wherever you're actually traveling. I wish you all the very best for yourself, your family and for your future. Please do keep in touch. Cheers. Bye.
Sweet memories which you are living will never diminish. You have actually taught a lot of things and have learned a lot from you. Thank you for all your help and support throughout. Hope wherever you go, you will always stay in touch with all of us, and maybe in near future we will get to work again together. Thank you so much and all the best for your future.
Hi Deb, this is Mrinal with the beard, in case you have difficulty recognizing me. Okay, insider information that I've got from my sources is that they have said they will increase your salary, they'll quadruple your salary if you stay back, so think about it. But jokes apart, it was a pleasure working with you. I have actually not got to learn enough, I think, from you. So here's hoping that sometime in the future I will work with you more closely. All the best wherever you're going. Have fun and stay in touch.
So he interviewed you for...
Yeah, he interviewed me. He was the first person I met at EY.
And still you joined EY. That means he has a good first impression.
Yeah, he did. He really had a very good impression of EY.
How many other people?
I had a very good impression of EY.
When you saw him?
Yeah.
But he looks like a very strict and very serious.
He's a funny, serious guy. And it's been wonderful knowing you, Deb, and working with you as well. We are surely going to miss you a lot. I wish I had gotten a chance to work with you on a project. But nevertheless, maybe in future. I wish you lots of success and big money. And once you get the big money, don't forget us.
In this last 3 years, the kind of support, guidance and learning I got from you was immense. You are a true leader in every sense. Rather, I must say that you are not a people manager, but you are a people's manager. I have always been amazed to see that whenever I reached out to you with a problem and you made it look so simple. Can't stop myself to say that you are the best manager I have ever worked with. Thanks for all your guidance and support over this last 3 years. It was truly a pleasure working with you. Given an opportunity, would like to work with you again in your future. Wish you all the best. Do keep in touch. Cheers.
Hi Deb, I hope you like the arrangements here. We have planned a lot of fun activities in the resort. Basically this message is not only for you, it is for the entire team. Now, here's the message for you. I have worked with you on Prime Awards, and that was the first assignment that I worked on. And trust me, you have taught me well enough to handle such a grand event. I have also interacted with you and worked with you on BSc reviews, preparing slides for Mala. What are the critical data points that we need to show in the review? Who will do what? How the planning actually happens, how it is executed to the ground level. So those are the things, those are basic, very small things that actually help me understand how we operate in PE. And we are always over prepared, but that's something which is given with the kind of job we are doing. I wish you very best of what life could offer. And I know for the fact that somebody has said things change for good, and I hope that still stands good for you. Cheers for life.
Hi Dev, when I heard the news that you're going to leave us, it was a big shock for us. Definitely it's a very huge loss for the team. I think after we lost Harish from the team, it's the second biggest loss I would say we are going to have for the team. So you're a great human being and a great mentor and a leader. So we are definitely going to miss you, and I wish you a very prosperous future and a nice life ahead. Thank you.
And my message is कहते हैं कि अगर किसी चीज़ को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. Hope you find a suitable person according to your wish. Okay. Sorry for my Hindi. PE will surely miss a leader like you. Good luck.
And it's very difficult at this point of time to tell goodbye to Dev. I really enjoyed working for almost close to 6 years now, Dev. I am finding it really difficult to cope it up. So most of the times I have told goodbye to my bosses in my earlier organization, but this is first time happening that my boss is telling goodbye, and really difficult. So, but that's the way things go, and I think all the best, Dev. We'll keep in touch, and for sure we would like to have you back in GDN and back in UI. Thank you.
Hi Dev, wishing you all the best for your future. I always heard lots of positive things about you, and also heard that world is small. If given an opportunity in future, we'll definitely like to work along with you. Don't know as a client or as a colleague itself, but definitely interested and looking forward to work in that way. Thanks, all the best.
It's just when we started knowing each other in terms of work, you are leaving the organization, of course, for a better sake or in search of better opportunities in life. Wish you all the best in your future endeavor.
देव 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 है वंडरफुल कह सकती है ब्यूटीफुल देव 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 वंडरफुल देव 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 A boss like Dev is very rare, करता है वो सबकी केयर. मार्च में दे दिया कैसा सरप्राइज, कैसे करे टीम कॉम्प्रोमाइज. देव 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 वंडरफुल देव 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 देव. GDN में मच गया शोर, कहाँ से लाए ऐसा कोई और. देव 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 don't go देव 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 देव. Miss you देव.
तू कल चला
चला जाएगा तो मैं क्या करूँगा, याद बहुत आएगी तो मैं क्या करूँगा. Success, we wish you all success, we wish you all success and happy endeavor.
ओके चलो निकलो यहाँ से. साइड में अकेला गाना चाहता.
अरे खत्म हो गया है.